Alright, so I have a Pixie haircut and I get my hair done every Thursday or Friday because I'm very active, I work out, the list goes on, and I need my hair to be this. Anyone out there whose self-esteem just kind of goes downward if their hair is not done? Stylist is out sick. So I'm going to go back to my old roots. I used to be the go-to person for cornrows, braids, you name it. I was your girl. So I can do my own hair. I just like the luxury of getting my hair done. So let's get into what it looks like to wash, mold, sit under the dryer, and style a Pixie haircut. All right, so we're back. And I sat on the dryer for 30 minutes or so. So let's see what we're working with. Ooh, she's nice and laid down. So let's get into this styling. So the first thing we do is we take this hair stick. So I got this from my hairstylist. All my products came from my hairstylist. She gave me like a little emergency kit. But I take this, we raise it up, and then we're just going to apply it all over. And then again, though my hair is short, it's still pretty thick. And I'm due for a relaxer. As well, I've seen this in like your Sephora, your Ultas, and we're gonna put just a little bit. So let me just pour it. See, just a little bit. Work together and put this on the top. So at this point, I'm gonna kind of just make sure my hair gets really dry. So she just likes to try to make sure I have enough oil in my hair. So now that we have put in all of our necessary products, I have this small, just little small Baby Bliss curling iron that I'm going to use to curl my hair, and then of course you need a good clip. So let's get into the curling. Fun fact about me, I am ridiculously tender-headed. So getting my hair curled every single week is a process, but I make it through. All right, so typically I start with the back. I have like a little clip to kind of keep it nice and separated. We're just gonna curl the back. Now, I'm gonna be honest. Like I said, I am very tender-headed. So I will not be grabbing these little small hairs that my hairstylist typically does. But I'm gonna do the best I can with what I got. Learned in this process is that taking every strand of hair and curling it is key, because I always see my hairstylist do this, but now I understand how important it is, because that one little piece will just be sticking up in your head. Anywhere, give or take, just to curl, about 15 minutes. My hairstylist curls my hair in 5. But I'm gonna keep the curls I have in my hair just so that it could potentially last for a couple days. Alright, we're all done. I think not too bad. I probably could have got a little lighter on the product, but just means my hair is going to hold off until Thursday when I go to get my hair done. Let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, share. Bye.